Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create an image using Google Gemini AI tool. Here you can go and type Gemini and then you can open this website gemini.google.com. Here you can easily generate any type of text. You can also create images, and if you want to create videos, then you need to upgrade your package. For example, here if I type generate image of highest building in the world and then press enter. Here you can see it is loading Nano Banana. Within couple of seconds you can easily get any type of image. Now if I scroll down, here you can see we got a professional image. So this image is copyright free. You can save this image in your laptop and you can use it anywhere.